so many kinds of thermodynamics, such as normal thermodynamics, classical thermodynamics, statistical thermodynamics. First of all, we will explain here, I will deliver to you what is the social contribution of thermodynamics in our daily to daily routine life. So many changes, so many phenomena which occur in our daily to daily routine life as heating process, working process, control on human temperature, running of systems, etc. etc. Before to define here, in order to define here, first of all, I would like to what does thermodynamics wants to say and how does it play its social image in our daily to daily routine life, and how many changes generally we observe here, we undergo on the behalf of thermodynamics, but actual fundamental, actual conceptual of thermodynamics generally ignore here. But in this chapter, in this topic here, first of all, I would like to you to explain about the definition of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, that is of unit first as thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, it is the compact form of two terms, that is of thermo plus that is of dynamic. Thermo means that is of temperature, dynamic means that is of to move as that is of the molecules, and to produce here as rotational, vibrational and translational degree of freedoms. In order to explain, in order to define thermodynamics, I have just explained to you, I have just delivered here. Thermodynamic is the compact form. It is formed by two important terms, that is of thermo plus that is of dynamic. Thermo means that is just like a term of temperature. To move, that is of rotation, vibration and translation of the molecules here. In order to explain here, I am drawing one important, interested example on the blackboard here, in which pressure cooker we fill here as vegetable molecules and H2O molecules. We are cooking any vegetables in this pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is known as, is designated, is called as, that is of a system here. Now after heating process, now we heat like this in heating process, like this here, that is of on, that is of heating. On heating, let us once again to repeat. Here we take a pressure cooker. In pressure cooker we take vegetable molecule with the addition of H2O molecule. Now here pressure cooker is known as that is of system. Now we heat whole this system. Generally we observe here this water molecule will hit to vegetable molecule. The circle denotes here as that is of water molecule, and square shape to denote here as that is of vegetable molecules here. After heating case, on heating, this water molecule will hit to this that is a vegetable molecule. This vegetable molecule now will collide with that is of next vegetable molecules. Similarly, This next vegetable molecules now hit to that is of H2O molecule, and a very sensitivity of the and activities of the molecules have been taken into account in this whole system to produce when this vegetable molecules here H2O molecule, so that rotational means that is of, suppose we consider here, if these molecules denote as that is of vegetable molecules here, and we denote here, we say here, and that is of H2O molecule here, H2O molecule will hit, it will produce that is of translation, this one that is of translation of degree of freedom, but this that is of vegetable molecules is also active to produce as that is of in that is of rotational mode. Similarly, it is also possible that is of vibrational of these molecules may also be processed, may also be taken into account here. Hence, this water molecule will hit, I means three types of the degree of freedoms is translational, as that is of rotational, and that is of vibrational of the molecules do exist. As a result, by whistling, we observe our final vegetable is now finally prepared here. It is known as that is of physical and that is of chemical changes to define here. That is of thermodynamics. Hence, thermodynamics is the branch of physical chemistry in which thermo, that is of temperature, energy, is now converted in various kinds of energy, that is of rotational, that is of vibrational, and that is of translational, and whistling to denote as that is of physical and that is of chemical changes. That is thermodynamics is the branch of physical chemistry in which thermal energy is now converted into that is of rotational, vibrational, translational, kinetic energy, and potential energy, and so many other kinds of energy have been observed here in terms of physical and that is of chemical changes here. Suppose we are using here in place of vegetable molecule and water molecule, suppose we are using chemical as a reactant here, automatically here that is of, here that is of, we are using here reactant, chemical reactant, so that chemical energy it is also possibility to generate as that is of chemical energy. Now it is evident, it is absolutely, obviously it is very clear. Thermodynamics is the branch of chemistry in which thermal energy, heat energy is now converted, in so many kinds of energy, rotational energy, vibrational energy, translational energy, potential energy, and chemical energy, and physical and changes chemicals are now observed here. It is exactly we defined that is of what is thermodynamics. Now further we proceed our topic here. How many terminology actually have been used in that is of thermodynamics here. The terminology of thermodynamics used here, I am writing here on that is of the blackboard. First one that is of here, that is of first one, that is of system. First that is of terminology used here. Terminology used in that is of the first, and that is the first one, that is of system here. The first one terminology, it is becomes essential to know, to explain about that is of a system. Here systems, the first terminology, the first symbol which will be used in thermodynamics. Here pressure cooker, here pressure cooker we are using here. We take reactant and product in water molecule. This whole that is of vessel is known as that is of the systems. I mean that is of system is the device which actually has been chosen, has been actually selected for performing of theoretical and practical consideration, when other that is of state variables, temperature, pressure, and volume should also be considered as parameter. The system, the device is known as that is our system. System, once again I would like you to define the first terminology about that is a system. The chosen device, selected device, which actually has been using to perform theoretical and practical consideration in the laboratory in the universe. When other rest of parameter, temperature, pressure and volumes have been taken as that is of perfection for the performing of the reaction. Second, that is of surrounding here. Second terms, that is of first one, that is of here, that is of surrounding here. That is of surrounding here. We may know here that is it is not that is of a system. In order to define that is of next term here, that is of a surrounding. Surrounding means that is of rest part. Rest part, this one part, this one part, this one part, this rest part, this rest part, this rest part is known as that is of surrounding. Surrounding in the that is of a universe. Rest part is not supposed to be considered here. We perform our whole experiment. We are taking any kinds of reactant in this vessel. This vessel will be known as that is of system. It denotes, is defined about the system here, and so the rest part of the universe. The rest part of the universe is known as that is of a surrounding. Rest part is surrounding in which the system may exchange temperature, pressure and volume with that is in contact or not in contact in various thermodynamical infrastructure. The rest part, around the rest part is known as, in the universe is known as surrounding. Thank you very much.